what's up? I know I look a little bit sick, but I'm doing this because I want to record a short video, so don't worry. And today is probably the last episodes of Halloween special because we're getting close to Halloween, and these episodes are going to be the last ones. And today we're going to be a monster. I didn't have this idea, and I just saw it somewhere on social media, so I don't own this idea. But I really like it, so I thought that maybe we can try some oh shit, SFX makeup. What is wrong with me? And yeah, we're doing it. So keep watching and like the video, subscribe. You know what to do. Love ya. First of all, like most of the times, we use a sticky glue because we want to hide and cover our eyebrows. Then we use some foundation because when you use aqua color on the eyebrows that you have used glue, it just like a little bit messy. So I just use a light foundation. And then we can paint it white, but only this quarter of our face. It's time for using the eyeshadows, and I like to use it like that. It's like the swan or something, but I think it's so beautiful, so I decided to use it. And a little bit blue eyeshadow, I think that would be nice. For this part of your face, you can do any kind of makeup you like, it's up to you. Alright, so this is going to be probably my favorite part and the hardest part of this SFX makeup. And I have to use this thing because we're using latex, and if it just drops on your dress, it never goes. So we gotta do this. And it's the trousers, something. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna do this, and it smells so awful. This part is absolutely my favorite part of this face art or SFX makeup or anything, because I really like to do with latex, but although it's a little bit hard, but you get used to it. So this is the time that we have to use some cotton and latex. All we do is this. We just use a little bit latex on our face, then we put cotton on that, and again latex. It's so cold, and I don't know, it's some kind of gas or something that goes right straight to my eye, and it's not a very nice feeling, but we gotta do this because it's Halloween. I put cotton and latex all over the face that I like to be like it's my real skin, and then I have to stick the horns and the teeth that I've made. And if you wonder how I made these horns, you should use some foil and then a tape on it because you want to paint them. So you can't paint on foil, but you can paint on the tape. So that's how I made it. And this part should be completely black and red, and you can use some fake blood on it too because it's inside our mouth, so it should be dark. Now we have to stick all the teeth and horns that we've made and put them all over our face. This is the painful part because the job was really heavy and I had to stick it with a lot of latex and cotton. It might look a little bit difficult, but I'm sure you can handle it, guys. And also, again, all the teeth, we should stick them to our face, and it's really important that we know in which part of our face we should stick them. You can use red aqua color and also red eyeshadows because we want to make it look like the blood is all over our face, but again, the positions that we put our blush is really important. Also, don't forget to paint the teeth and horns in the case that it looks like they're naturally bloody. And obviously my favorite part, the fake blood. So guys, here you are, the monster that I really like.
And I hope you guys enjoy it as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and tell me, how do you like this SFX makeup? Would you like me to do more of this or not? Bye bye!